And so, Chipperoos, be very extra chipmunk careful with safety enemy #1. Especially around Mr. Tree. And who knows better about Mr. Tree than our bestest buddy, Ruff the Bear? Shall we visit him? Hello, Ruff! Well, it looks like Ruff the Bear is hibernating. You know what that means? That means we're getting close to Christmas. So, pay extra special chipmunk attention to these words from our bestest friends at World of Toys.
And we're in commercial.
It looks like Ruff the Bear has been visiting his bestest buddy, Mr. Whiskey.
I know we're family, Jorge. And Aunt Josie asked me to give you a job while you're out on parole, but frankly, you're starting to try my patience.
Listen, Sid, I can't help it if it was Mueller's coming out party. I had to share in his joy, you know?
You know, I have news for you, Pally. You're not supposed to party with your former cellmates. This show is called Uncle Buckle Up Safety Program, not the Known Associates Show.
I am up to here with the Bears, Sid.
Yeah, well, we stand for something fine, something beautiful. Now, get into the car.
Sid, I just need a ride to my car. I don't need a sermon.
Get into the car.
You want a clean kill here. Hit and run. No questions asked.
Got it. Come on, man. They close the lot at 8 o'clock.
Buckle up.
Could you maybe cut me a break here, Sid? I got a hangover that'd kill a bull.
Seatbelt.
Jerk. What are you, nuts?
You know, after the show, a lot of kids come out here, and I have an image to protect. I wouldn't want the Chipperoos knowing that their bestest buddy, Ruff the Bear, is a candidate for a halfway cave. All right? That's it. That's it. I have had it with you. I have had it with you.
Come on, Sid, I need my car. I'm taking Mueller to the strip show.
That's it. That's it. Get an ambulance!
Ruff the Bear?
This is going to be it, Face. This is going to be the part that takes off.
But Hannibal, a bear? And on TV, TV's not for you. You know, you're a powerhouse. You need 28 feet of canvas to explode out of. You know, you'll get lost in a little screen.
No, I've been thinking about that, Face. But you know, television is an intimate medium. And I'm an intimate kind of a guy.
Like Rambo's an intimate kind of guy.
What you have to do is, you have to get to the bear in this undisturbed state of mind.
I see.
What do you think?
I think you've lost your mind. And what's so important about this job that you schlep all of us down to the zoo? You seem awfully uptight about this. I mean, you know, you've lost other jobs to other actors.
They're just not writing my kind of picture anymore.
Yeah, romance and comedy, you know, who needs it?
But you know, that shark at Universal, he worked for years.
Yeah, but Hannibal, this is a kid's show. This bear sings and dances. You know, you could look foolish.
Clint Eastwood and Lee Marvin did Paint Your Wagon. They danced and they sang. Now, did they look foolish?
Indescribably so.
But they went on to bigger things.
Not singing, and definitely not dancing.
Well, it was a gap in their technique. A gap I do not intend to have.
And, what do you know about the technique involved in doing a children's show?
Well, that's why I called Murdoch. As soon as he gets here, we head to the studio. Now, face. What?
This is not working out for me, Preston. For 15 years, we had to deal with Tamco toys without a snag. Perfect toys every time. And we got letters. You want to see some letters? I'll show you some letters.
I don't want to see no letters.